What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be unboxing the new iPhone XS Max in space gray. I know there's probably already a ton of unboxing videos of this new iPhone, however I still wanted to make my own video just so that I can look back at it in the future and hopefully you guys will enjoy it as well. Having said that, we're going to go ahead and get right into the unboxing. So we do have a tab of plastic right over here. We're going to go ahead and take that off. And here we see all the plastic get removed. Put that to the side. Now we'll go ahead and remove the lid. And the first thing we see is this little booklet that says designed by Apple in California. Inside we have a couple of quick start guides as well as the Apple stickers. We'll go ahead and set that to the side. After that we can see the iPhone itself. We'll go ahead and remove that now. And here it is. It looks super nice, very big.
That's what she said.
You can tell that it is the plus size model. Here you can have a quick comparison between the regular iPhone 10 and then the iPhone XS Max. It doesn't look like there's too much of a difference here, but when you're actually holding them, you actually could tell that there is a big difference. Having said that, we'll go ahead and see what else comes inside the box. The last things inside the box is the wall charger, the Apple earbuds, as well as the charging cable. Having said that, that sums up my unboxing of the new iPhone XS Max in space gray. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button. Subscribe for future videos of the new iPhone XS Max. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.